Unlock the secrets to a well-equipped kitchen with our essential guide to utensils and tools. Cutting and chopping.
Cutting and chopping.
Knife.
Knife.
She used a knife to chop the carrots into small pieces for the soup. Steak knife.
Steak knife.
He used a steak knife to cut his juicy steak during dinner. Table knife.
Table knife.
The table knife is perfect for spreading butter on toast. Bread knife.
Bread knife.
She used a bread knife to slice the fresh loaf evenly. Peeler.
Peeler.
He used a peeler to remove the skin from the potatoes. Chopper.
Chopper.
She used the chopper to quickly dice the onions and peppers. Cutting board.
Cutting board.
He placed the vegetables on the cutting board to chop them. Mixing and whisking.
Mixing and whisking.
Whisk.
Whisk.
She used a whisk to beat the eggs until they were fluffy. Spatula.
Spatula.
He used a spatula to flip the pancakes on the griddle. Masher.
Masher.
She used the masher to make smooth and creamy mashed potatoes. Mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl.
He combined the ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to stay connected.